Fibonacci retracements are a popular technical analysis tool used by traders to identify potential support and resistance levels in financial markets. This tool is based on the Fibonacci sequence, a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones, starting from 0 and 1. Let's get into how to apply it to your chart on Abbado. Once logged into the Abbado platform, you're going to navigate to the top and click on Objects. From the drop-down, we're going to head over to Fibo and select Fibo channel from the menu. Now, we're going to hold the click on the chart from the point we want to draw the Fibonacci retracements and drag outward to place the channel lines. You can size these as you wish based on your market analysis and objectives. By right-clicking on the Fibo channel and clicking Delete, you can remove it from the chart or access its properties for further options. There's many more types of indicators and chart drawing tools that can be placed on your Abbado charts for further analysis. We hope this has been helpful for you in understanding how to apply Fibonacci retracements to your chart setup on Abbado. See you in the next video.